In this quick video, I will show you how to buy USDT to BRISE Network step by step. So the first step is to go to app.icecreamswap.com and you will gonna need to connect your wallet first. And as you can see, I have connected my MetaMask wallet, and once you have connected your MetaMask wallet, click here and click USDTI. For example, then type the amount of price token you want. For example, I want to swap 900,000 BRISE token. Click swap here, click confirm swap, click confirm, click close. So earlier we have 2.08 USDTI, and now as you can see, I have a total of 2.38 USDTI. And if you have any questions about how to buy USDT to BRISE Network, leave a comment below.